Silver, we start with the daily chart. Okay, based on daily chart, if we refer back to our analysis, we have both two options. One of the option we mentioned that if this is the only correction and this is the start of the up move, the another one we said maybe we are within the bigger correction. That means you can expect the price come to this low before we get the up move. Okay, what I want to see is that now if we look into this correction, based on which option we will get different trade. Whether this is a correction for the continuation for the down move or we should expect the price to move up. Okay, that's why the things is how we can trade it. In this case, we follow base. I mean, we move to lower time frame. We see how we can trade. Okay, based on the first option, if we go based on the first option, what we say is this is the only correction. Okay, and this is the start of the up move. In that case, we can put this one in relative to this with this correction. Okay, that means this is the correction we have it, and now we can expect the price to move up. Okay, this is the first option. That means from the first option, that means this correction can give us a up move. Okay, the another option was that maybe we are as I explained, maybe we are in a bigger correction. That means this is the start of the down move. All right, now the thing is how we can trade it, because again this one can give us a both option. Okay, now if we want to trade for this, mostly we are more interested in the down move. If we can get the sell, we are more interested in sell rather than the buy, because if you want to consider this is the start of the, I mean from here the price can move up. In that times we put this correction in relative to this. That means we will have 1, 2, 3. This is a correction in relative to this for the next up move. But if we refer back to my last video, in last video we had these two in relative to each other. And when we see the price is at the top, then we mention if we move to MACD, we see we have a divergence, and as well here. That's why we mentioned that this one can be a start of the down move. Okay, this is what we explained last time when we put this one in relative to this. But now when we get a bigger correction, now the thing is we cannot put this one in relative to this. At that time, right now, we can put this one in relative to this, including 1, 2, 3 as a correction between these two. That's why we get the second option for the buy. Okay, now the thing is how we're going to trade for this, whether we should consider this one, we look for the down move or up move. Because as I explained, we can have both options. Okay, now the thing is, first we talk about the sell. As I say, we are more interested in the sell. If we get a sell from here, in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us a better trade. Okay, if you're looking for sell, I will put this one 1, 2, 3 as a correction. That means any sell from here, or if the price move higher, any sell we get, we trade it. Okay, from what we have right now, at least we need the sharp move down, a small correction or flag, then we take the trade. But right now we don't have it. Okay, the only thing is we want to see whether this correction is finished or not, because already we have 1, 2, 3 at the middle. Okay, the possibility we get the sell from here also, there is that possibility. Also, there is a possibility the price can here correct, continue similar to what I'm drawing here before we get the down move. But if we get any sell, as long as the price come to this level, we start to manage it, because what we expect the price come and break and continue. But when the price, if we get a sell, as long as the price come to this level, we need to start to manage, because there is a possibility the price come here, reverse, we get the bigger correction. Okay, how about the buy? If we want to look for buy, can we consider this one as a buy setup? Since we had this sharp move, we say if we get a correction here, then we look for buy. Actually, right now we have a small correction, but I don't suggest this one unless for those traders, they know how to manage it, because the possibility you get a correction here, the price sharp, then reverse. Okay, what I explained, what I want to say that if we want to look for buy, let the price, whether correct, it's correct here for a short time or not. The best is if the price from here can move a bit higher, then give a correction. Then from there, we look for buy. How high it can go, we are not sure. But what we want the price move a bit higher. But from what I have, if we put our line here, we can see the price break this top. Okay, but it's still buying this correction, I don't suggest it unless we get a bigger correction here, price correct similar to what I have, then we can consider. Okay, then from what we have here, if the price move a bit higher, then we get the big correction, then we can consider buy setup. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup. We will have both option, but if we get the sell in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us a better trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I found any trade setup, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.